What is up, guys? This is taking AGR test 4, and then I'm going to show you why it doesn't need a new fan clutch. And I know I've been saying this all the time, but so many people text me on Instagram. Well, not many people. I mean, I'm not that famous, you know. But a couple people say, hey, why does it need a new fan clutch? And people know why it needs a new radiator. It leaks. So I can't drive it anymore. I can still drive it, but it's out of gas. It's almost out of coolant because it's a leaking stupid thing. So I'll show you the fan clutch, the radiator, sure. Let me open the hood. Get out of here. Hi, how are you? Alright, let me show you all, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Fan clutch. Hold up, let me just fix this a little bit. Sorry if you hear any weird sounds. I'm trying to fix all my stuff real quick. Making the tripod smaller so you can actually see why. Okay. Alright. Yeah, this is not gonna be well. Okay. See this? You know what? What the hell, man? Okay. It's my work. You stupid thing. Okay. You can't see it, but you see it's moving? I'm pulling it back and forth. Yeah, so you can't see it that well. I'm sorry, because you know they mean. So pretty much, the fan clutch, it's supposed to be like spinning, so it's not supposed to be doing this. It's doing that, so pretty much it needs a new fan clutch. And you see, yeah, we're out of coolant. And then your coolant's in here, orange. So pretty much, Colby. It's pretty much, yes, it needs all that. And please give me thumbs up and please subscribe. The neighbors are staring at me. I'm freaking out. Just kidding. Alright. So you like this video? Please give me some thumbs up and please subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.